Welcome to Behind the Logics, the repository of knowledge. Today we are going to discuss about the difference between Python and Java. First we will see how the syntax differs between Python and Java. The syntax of Python is more concise than Java, which makes getting started with Python easier. You can enter lines right in the terminal and test the programs on the fly, which is quick and easy in case of Python, whereas Java needs to compile the whole program in order to run. Python uses tabs to indicate the beginning and ending of a block of code. On the other hand, Java uses curly braces for the same purpose. Now we'll see how they differ based on the speed. Python is a dynamically typed and interpreted language. I have discussed in the last video about what is dynamically typed and interpreted language. Please do check the previous video. I'll give the link in the description box. On speaking about Java, it is statically typed and compiled language. Both the languages are platform independent, but being compiled or interpreted makes a huge difference here. Java is faster at runtime and easier to debug because of the above stated reason, but Python is easier to read and use. That's why we prefer Python. Now we'll see how it differs with database. Java has JDBC, that is Java Database Connectivity, which is more popular and widely used for connecting with database. Python's database access layers are weaker than Java's JDBC, because of which it's rarely used in enterprises. Now we'll see how they differ with standard libraries and framework. In previous video, we have discussed about some standard libraries in Python. Both languages have many frameworks and standard libraries. Popular frameworks of Python include Django and Flask. Popular frameworks of Java include Spring, Hibernate. Python is rich in standard libraries when compared to Java. Some common libraries that are useful in data science and machine learning are NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, TensorFlow, PyTorch. Some libraries of Java that are useful for machine learning are Vika, Mallet, Deep Learning 4J, MOA. Now we will discuss about some uses of Python and Java. Python is used for artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science and data visualization, web development, game development. Java is used for enterprise solutions, gaming, desktop GUI applications, mobile and web-based applications, and big data technologies. Okay, now we have discussed about the differences between Python and Java. So apart from the above differences, why I prefer Python? Let's see that. Python is easy for all to learn, which makes it the popularly used language. Python syntax is more concise than Java. Python has a larger community which is extremely active, providing solutions to all the problems with its documentation. Python has excellent libraries which we can use to save our time. Python is very flexible to be used along with other programming languages. With Python, data visualization has become easier. Python is the most popular tool used for machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data science. Python helps a lot in automation of tasks with its tools and modules. Python is widely used with IoT technologies. So as of now, we had a brief discussion about the differences between Python and Java. Overall, we know that Python is very easy to learn and use. So that's all about this video. We will see some interesting topics in next video. If you find the video to be useful, please do like, share and subscribe our channel, and please do press the notification button and bell icon so that you will get notifications whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.